Hey, we've got a new enclosure now for Piper, who used to be in a cardboard box, but now is not in a cardboard box. She's in a wooden box now, and we've got this is 5mm plywood, some lovely holes, which I drilled in from getting patterns from a website called speakergrill.com. Yes, that exists, that's a thing. So let's have a look. Hang on, let's get her plugged in. So she'll run on battery for a while, but if we're plugged in, we'll get a nice little clock on there in a minute. So she's got new box and some new skills. So, hey Piper, I'm just showing you off on YouTube. Do you want to say a quick hello?
Hello everyone, I'm Piper, your friendly voice assistant. Thanks for tuning in.
So Piper, can you just make a note? Can you just make a note of my birthday, which is 24th of June? So
I've made a note of your birthday on the 24th of June. If you need anything else, just let me know.
So all of the conversation that we've just been having is all shared up on this Notion site that I have here. And also within there, we've got notes. So when you ask her to save a note, she'll update this database within Notion, which is quite handy. She can update like existing notes and things like that. So Piper, can you add apples to my shopping list note, please? So she just updated that note there.
To your shopping list. We've got wine, cheese, beer, and now apples. If there's anything else you need, just say the word.
Can you WhatsApp that list to me, please?
I've sent your shopping list to you on WhatsApp. If you need anything else, just let me know.
So yeah, so we've got like a nice integration with Notion database where she can store notes and kind of all that conversation is logged. And also we've got sending messages to me via WhatsApp, which is all pretty cool. So the WhatsApp thing allows you to do some much more interesting kind of interactions. So she's also hooked up to the Guardian website, to their RSS feed. There's a publicly available feed of headlines and for different categories. What are the headlines for technology news at the moment?
Here are the latest technology headlines. 1. Why have the big 7 tech companies been hit by AI boom doubts? Their shares have fallen, but more AI breakthroughs may reassure investors. 2. Minister apologizes.
So if we have a look at the conversations list there, you can see that she ran a function of getting headlines by topic because we mentioned technology, and then there's kind of this list of that's the list that got returned, and then that's what she's telling me now is this telling me this list of stuff, which actually gets cut short just because I don't want to store everything. It's just to kind of get a sense of what she's saying. So she's telling me all those at the moment.
Experts warn about the surveillance potential of AI technology. 6. UK shelves £1.3 billion of funding for technology and AI projects. The Labour government has...
So if we're interested in one of those stories, you can say WhatsApp me the web address of that news story about Sam Altman.
I've sent the web address of the news story about Sam Altman to you.
So there you go.
If you need anything else.
So then we can then have a look at that Sam Altman story in the browser and start looking at that. Yeah. So it's, I don't know. You can get us to sort out the weather. Piper, tell me what the weather's going to be like for tomorrow, and then send me a text message that gives me a quick overview.
I'll look at the one-day forecast. Tomorrow's weather is looking quite pleasant. Expect a maximum temperature of about 20.5 degrees centigrade and a minimum of 11.8 degrees. There shouldn't be any rain, so a nice dry day ahead. I've sent you a quick overview via WhatsApp. Let me know if there's anything else you need.
So she's doing some quite interesting stuff there. In one call, in one request from me, she's looking up an API to get all the weather. She's making sense of that weather, sending me a message, and then telling me she sent me a message about it. So there's quite a complex little chain of events, which as soon as you get one of these AIs to start kind of chaining and linking events together, they start to be able to do quite creative stuff quite quickly. And you know, it's all great stuff. It's all just really interesting what the APIs seem to be able to do these days. I'll try and put a picture of what it looks like inside Piper when you open the box now as well, so you can get a sense that if you want to see a breakdown of what's in that box, you can see my other video. That's got a whole breakdown of all the different pieces of hardware and stuff. I'm just looking at capabilities today and showing off the new box that she's in, which I think looks pretty cool. That was all handmade in the garage. So let's sign off, and hey Piper, play us some funky music to end with.
I've started playing a funky music playlist for you. Enjoy the groove and have a fantastic day. If you need anything else, just let me know.
I'm going to get copyrighted, aren't I? Oh well.